What's up, guys? And good morning from the windy Dapa. It is Tropical Storm Kristine is coming through. I don't think they know if it's going to turn into a typhoon yet, but we're not directly in the path of this typhoon. However, we are getting a lot of wind. Last night the wind was howling. This morning it's howling. It is what it is, right? So if the wind is blowing in the microphone, I apologize for it. But check it out, man. It is blowing. It is blowing hard. There he is. Let's forget what we call him. You can see it out here. It actually has calmed down a little bit, the wind. But it gusts and it picks up, then it gusts, then it picks up. Matter of fact, one of the banana tree out back blew down. Let me show you. Everybody says it's cold. Not me. I think it's very comfortable. Right, Pachoy? Let me show you here. Banana tree blew down back here. There's Lut. What do you think, Lut? Are you scared? No. Check it out. Banana tree blew down. You got banana tree down. Seen a couple branches snapped off. But anyways, let's let me show you this radar. Show you what's going on. Also a weatherman. Not only am I a newsman, but I am a weatherman, right? But this is windy.com, and no, this video is not brought to you by windy.com, but it's a great thing to have on your computer. I go to it quite a bit, but here it is, windy.com. As you can see right here is this Kristine. They say it's may develop into a typhoon, but you can see this is the wind part of it, the wind app, or the wind whatever you call it, menu in windy.com. But as you can see, the wind is just whipping around, hitting Vietnam, Cambodia, and then it swoops down in. That blinking light is Dapa. Let me zoom in here. All right. Dapa, Sherrigal Island right here. But that is the wind that we are getting. Whipping through Dumaguete, all through here. So, but yeah, this is a great thing to have. Windy.com, all right. Does radar. Does satellite, does your temperature, and this is good for anywhere around the world. Anywhere around the world, you can type in anything you want. Clouds, waves. Wow, look at them waves. But anyways, guys, that is the storm that is coming through, and I think we're supposed to get harder winds this afternoon and this evening, so I'll keep you posted. And I was just sitting upstairs, right? All of a sudden I heard a big crack. Check this out. That tree right over there fell down right there. Let's see if I can zoom in on that. No, I'm not going to go out there underneath the trees. That tree right there, that fell down. I hear them snapping. That branch is snapped off. A bunch of branches right here snapped off. I can see other areas that are snapped off. Yeah. Hello, kids. Hello, kids. Hello, Junior. Don't go out in the woods. You'll have a tree fall on your head. Right? You don't want a tree to fall on your head. No, Junior, no. All right, we are 2 hours brownout now into this little wind, this Katrina winds that are blowing through our area. And what do you think, Ling Ling, huh? Hi Ling, what do you think? And what do you think? Huh? 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 Give me the face. Give me the face, Nini. No, the face.
I didn't like that.
Oh, the face, Nini. The face. Yeah. You know what? We could still cook. That's for sure, huh? All right, look. We're having a pancit. What are we having? Pancit canton? No. What are we having?
Canton.
We're having canton. We're having some noodles for our little Kristine party here. Canton. That's what happens when you rely on electric. You can't cook anything. Well, we got a fire, so we're cooking. So yeah, we lost the papaya tree. Also, I gotta watch here. Corner of Uncle's shed right there, his little shack. That piece of roofing peeled off and was banging around. This is supposed to last all day. All day this is supposed to last into tonight. Right, Pooksy? Yeah. That's probably the safest building to be in right there. We were sitting out there earlier and that thing was solid. But this one tree, let me show you this one tree here. It's taking a beating. I was laying up in bed just listening to the wind blow. Listen to the wind blow. Right? You know that song, Stevie Nicks, right? Got a sandbag here because this door keeps blowing open. So we threw a sandbag there because this will blow open. And the wind just comes barreling through. This one tree here is taking a beating. It is losing all its limbs. That one right there, that's taking a beating. But here's the positive thing. Here's the positive thing. When you have a storm like this going through, you know what you get? Here's what you get. Firewood. You get firewood. This wind is producing plenty of firewood. Right, so we're going to have our noodle party out here at the treehouse here. They just put these steps in here and the bridge because I fell the other day and it wasn't funny. But we are having our noodle party out here. Are we safe out here?
Huh?
Are we safe out here?
Yes.
Yes, we are safe out here. We can sit and
Don't worry.
enjoy our noodles
In this one we go to Pacific.
and rice.
Right.
And the treehouse also acts as a laundry line.
Yes. Comes to raining.
All-purpose house.
All-purpose house, yeah. You can even sit out here and have internet. Careful, Junior! All right, here comes Junior.
I'm gonna go divide this one because everyone needs to have a piece.
Yes. You got my noodles? Is that my
Yes,
noodles? All right.
This is ours.
All right, we're going to enjoy the hanger just took my face out. We're going to enjoy our noodle party. You know what's good about sitting out here now in this, it's Kristine. I think I said Katrina. It's Kristine. Typhoon Kristine. Hooksy, what's nice about sitting out here now? No mosquitoes.
No more mosquito because the wind was too strong.
No more mosquitoes.
No more mosquito.
You can sit out here during the day and you can't last for 5 minutes.
Exactly.
The mosquitoes are so bad. Right, Junior? Junior, are you going to go play in the woods?
Exactly.
Huh? With the trees coming down?
Strong wind never bothered him. He just wanted to play.
You know, guys, I'm laying up here, getting ready to take a nap, and I'm thinking, you know what, if it was raining, it would be even worse. It'd be miserable. They're not calling for rain. At least I don't think they're calling for rain in our area. However, up in northern Luzon, where this storm is supposed to make landfall, they're calling for heavy rains and bad winds. We're getting I think I read like 65 km/h winds, but we're getting it in gusts. Like it'll gust and then it'll die down, then it'll gust again. But anyways, I know somebody's going to say, well, Philly, you chose to live down in there where the typhoons come through. Preach it to the choir. That's all I got to say. Preach it to the choir. Look at Florida. You know, thousands and millions of people choose to move down there because of the beautiful weather, but it's known for hurricanes. People in California, known for earthquakes. People in the Midwest, known for typhoons. So, if you want to say that, preach to the choir. All right, so the sun is going down. It's around 5:30. The wind is still going on. Well, it's cooking dinner right now. You know what? Here's something that's very confusing. All right. Seriously? The chickens. All right. They roost up in a tree. I don't know how well you can see them, but they're like really confused. They're holding on for dear life. Right, Cookie? How's it going, Cookie? Good. We're having, speaking of chicken, they're having chicken feet. But yeah, I don't know. Did they turn the power off with the anticipation of power lines going down and all that, or did trees take out the power line? I don't know. Either way, I told Lut, I said, hey, we're going to assess the situation tomorrow. Contact her brother over in General Luna and find out if they have power, and we might go over there because we don't know how long this power is going to be out. Hopefully it'll be back on tomorrow. Twinkles! How's Twinkles? Are you surviving? Huh? You making it through the storm? Huh? Thank God you don't go up in a tree and roost, huh? Uh-oh. Joy, getting mad. Blackie! Where's Blackie? Blackie here. He's kind of laughing at this storm. Blackie rode out Odette. When Odette rolled through here, Typhoon Odette, with that massive destruction, Blackie, he hunkered down inside the washer here and rode out Odette. So this little storm is nothing for old Blackie. All right, guys, the power has finally returned. About 10 hours brownout here. It's to be expected. Storm comes through, lots of wind. Now that's the thing. Lots of heavy, gusty winds that have come through. It rained like a tiny little bit, but no big downpours, nothing like that, just wind. The wind has died down. Been laying up here waiting for the lights to come on, and you can hear the wind outside, but not as heavy, not as strong. It's like a cheer went up when the power comes back on, right? You learn to do without. You learn to deal with it. Unless you have a backup generator or you have solar. And like I said, people, get solar. Got a PayPal account, link down below. Click it, buy me solar. I'll be happy all day long. Generator, eventually I would like to get a generator, eventually. But not at this moment in time. Anyways, it's been a fun day. It was actually fun. The girls ran out of power on their cell phone, so for the most part they did get out and play. But when the power went out and the cell phone died, you could hear them singing in the dark. I tried to sneak up on them, and they caught me. But yeah, even Lut, she went out with her nephews and was out collecting down trees for firewood. All these down trees around here, all these branches and stuff, it will get used for firewood. So anyways, guys, it was a fun day. Was I scared at all, nervous at all? There were some times where the wind was blowing pretty hard, where I did get a little nervous. But all in all, a good day. We're all safe. Nobody's injured or hurt or anything like that. So, all right, we'll talk to you later.